Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Karthikeyan.
My name is Satyakrishna.
Today we designed a project known as Smart IoT Safety Solution for Fishermen. It ensures safety of the fishermen when they are traveling in the sea. So let's see the main objective of this project. The main objective of this project is to create an IoT-based life-saving jacket for fishermen.
When the fisherman is in danger, he could press this push button, which will send SOS alerts to the phone.
So the problem here is fishermen often encounter life-threatening risks at sea, like slipping and falling into the sea, boats break due to tidal waves, or danger due to sea creatures.
Traditional systems lack only provide floating. They lack location and GPS systems.
So the solution here is to create a IoT-based life-saving jacket using IoT, sensors and network-based location tracking. When the fisherman is located in abnormal condition, it automatically detects that he is in danger and sends notifications to the rescue teams continuously for 1 minute.
This KSV provides Wi-Fi, so this Wi-Fi is connected to the mobile for the SOS notifications.
Let us see the working. When a fisherman experiences an accident or health emergency, the sensor immediately detects and sends the data.
Even when he is unable to push the push button, this sensor will automatically send the SOS alerts.
The ESP8266 collects the data and sends an SOS alert through IoT.
Okay, this is the model and these are the components. This is an ESP8266 for the Wi-Fi, and this is a push button, and this is the water sensor.
We also have a power.
We also have a power bank which provides the power to it.
Now let us see the working.
After I connect to this power bank, it will start to provide the Wi-Fi network, and it's connected to the Blink app.
This is the Blink app. So just
So when I press this, it sends the SOS to it.
So we can see the alert. So this is the notification, as you see, it also rings. So when we tap the notification, it comes like this. So show device. It shows the exact latitude and longitude of the person who has fallen into the sea. It continuously the working model. So now let's see the benefits of this. It provides real-time safety alerts for fishermen.
It is low cost and provides GPS also.
So real-world impact, it reduces accidental deaths at sea.
And if we install the more pulse oximeter, it will check if the person is alive or not.
So this we are planning to do future advancements in this project. The AI-based sea hazard prediction, solar power operation, and many more like that. This IoT-based system is a lifeline for fishermen and can save lives of many fishermen.